In India, gold is more than a commodity. It's woven into every major life event, a symbol of prosperity, security, and tradition. For generations, families have passed down gold jewelry as heirlooms, gifting it at weddings, festivals, and milestones. It's not just an adornment, but a tangible expression of love, status, and hope for the future. But as 2025 ends, this cherished relationship is being tested like never before. The familiar sparkle of gold in shop windows now comes with a sense of unease, as buyers hesitate and stores see fewer customers. Gold prices have soared to a record 75,000 rupees for 10 grams, making traditional jewelry a distant dream for many families. The surge has been so sharp that even those who once bought gold regularly are now pausing, reconsidering their choices. The rising cost is forcing Indians to rethink how they interact with their most beloved asset. Conversations that once revolved around design and craftsmanship now focus on affordability and necessity. Across the country, the focus is shifting from ornate designs to the raw value of gold itself. People are increasingly drawn to gold's purity and liquidity rather than its decorative appeal. Consumers now weigh practicality over tradition, questioning if elaborate jewelry is still the wisest choice. Many are turning to gold coins and bars, seeing them as safer, more flexible investments in uncertain times. The cultural pull remains, but the form is changing. Indians are embracing gold with a pragmatic mindset. Younger generations, especially, are leading this shift, valuing security and future returns over intricate designs. Simpler, solid forms are replacing the decorative, marking a deeper shift in consumer behavior. The allure of gold endures, but its meaning is being redefined for a new era. This isn't just a reaction to high prices. It's a fundamental change that could redefine India's relationship with gold. The shift is visible in both urban and rural markets, as families adapt to new realities. The love affair continues, but the terms are being rewritten. Gold remains a cornerstone of Indian life, but its role is evolving to meet the needs of a changing society. Gold's role in Indian life is evolving before our eyes, reflecting not just economic shifts, but a transformation in values, priorities, and the very fabric of tradition. The most visible sign of change in India's relationship with gold is the shift from elaborate, decorative jewelry to more practical forms of gold ownership. Instead of investing in intricate necklaces and bangles, more people are now choosing simple gold bars and coins, which are easier to buy, store, and sell. Traditionally, gold jewelry was cherished as both a symbol of beauty and a form of savings. Families would pass down ornate pieces through generations, blending culture with investment. But with gold prices soaring to record highs, these heavy necklaces and bangles have become out of reach for many middle-class families. On top of that, making charges, often ranging from 10 to 20% of the jewelry's value, now feel like a significant burden. These extra costs eat into the resale value, making jewelry less attractive as a pure investment. In contrast, gold bars and coins come with minimal premiums and no elaborate craftsmanship fees, offering a more efficient and transparent way to own gold. Increasingly, Indians are treating gold as a financial asset, an important part of their investment portfolio, rather than just a cultural artifact or a status symbol. The conversation has shifted. Instead of asking, "How beautiful is this piece?" buyers now want to know, "What's the best value for my money, and how easily can I liquidate this if needed?" This marks a new era of financial sophistication, where maximizing gold ownership and minimizing extra costs is the priority. People are more aware of premiums, purity, and resale options than ever before. The age-old desire for adornment is gradually giving way to a stronger need for financial security and stability, especially in uncertain times. Today, gold is seen not just as a symbol of wealth, but as a hard asset, a shield against inflation, economic uncertainty, and the unpredictable future. To truly understand this dramatic shift in gold buying habits, we turn to those who witness it every day: jewelers, bullion dealers, and financial experts who are at the heart of India's gold market. Their insights reveal not just numbers, but changing mindsets and motivations. Ashok Jain of Mumbai's iconic Jewellery Bazaar observes a clear trend. Customers now walk in asking for coins and bars, not the ornate necklaces and bangles that once defined Indian gold purchases. He says, "People want purity and liquidity. They're thinking about the future, not just the next wedding." A local bullion dealer confirms this shift. Jewelry demand, he notes, is noticeably weaker, but investment demand is surging, especially for small denomination coins that are easy to buy, store, and sell. It's about flexibility and security, he explains. People aren't turning away from gold itself. Instead, they're choosing to buy it in forms that are more efficient, practical, and suited to modern financial goals. Coins and bars are now the preferred choice for many. The new generation of buyers, especially younger, financially savvy Indians, see gold as a strategic part of a diversified investment portfolio. For them, gold is less about tradition and more about smart financial planning. High making charges on jewelry, once accepted as part of the purchase, are now seen as unnecessary expenses that eat into returns. Buyers are questioning every rupee spent beyond the gold's intrinsic value. Value is increasingly measured by resale potential. Coins and bars can return nearly 100% of their gold value when sold, while jewelry often loses a significant portion due to making charges and design deductions. The market is evolving rapidly. Practicality, transparency, and an investment-first mindset are now driving gold buying decisions, reshaping the industry from the inside out. While emotional value and tradition still matter, financial value has become the primary driver for most buyers. Families now weigh their options carefully, balancing sentiment with smart money moves. This shift is redefining what gold means to Indian consumers. Gold is no longer just a symbol of status or celebration. It's a tool for financial security and future planning. The new gold buyer is analytical, informed, and focused on efficiency over ornamentation. As India's relationship with gold evolves, so too does the very meaning of wealth and security for millions. The shift to investment gold has hit traditional jewelers hard. Jewelry sales have dropped by 20% this quarter. Family-run businesses face empty showrooms and shrinking profits. To survive, jewelers promote exchange programs, encouraging customers to trade old jewelry for new, increasing recycled gold in the market. Discounts on making charges and even on gold prices are now common, squeezing margins further. Larger chains may weather the storm, but small jewelers face existential threats. The industry is being forced to adapt, offering investment products or risk fading away. The art of jewelry making is under pressure as consumer priorities shift. Survival now depends on innovation and flexibility. The younger generation is leading the move toward bars and coins. For them, gold is an investment, not just adornment. High prices haven't deterred them. They're embracing micro-investments, buying 1 or 2 gram coins regularly. This systematic approach democratizes gold ownership, making it accessible to more people. Young buyers compare premiums and purity, treating gold like any other financial asset. Status is shifting from wearing gold to quietly building wealth. The focus is on long-term security, not immediate display. This marks a fundamental change in how wealth is built and displayed in India. Gold's role in weddings and festivals is legendary, but high prices are forcing families to adapt. Heavy bridal sets are now a financial strain. Lighter jewelry or a single symbolic piece is becoming the norm. Many supplement gifts with coins or bars, ensuring the tradition continues in a practical form. Festival buying has shifted from impulse jewelry to planned investment in coins. The act of buying gold remains, but its form reflects new economic realities. Gifting a gold bar is now seen as responsible and caring, a gesture of security. Indian culture adapts, modifying traditions to fit the times. The emotional significance endures, but the expression is more pragmatic. India's gold market now tells a tale of two demands: emotional, jewelry, and rational, investment. High prices have forced consumers to choose adornment or asset. Jewelry sales have dropped as emotional purchases are postponed or downsized. The rational demand for gold as a pure investment has surged. Buyers want purity and value, not craftsmanship. Bars and coins thrive while jewelry falters. This split shows a maturing market. Consumers now distinguish between gold as a good and as an asset. When prices are low, both coexist. When high, investment dominates. The rational need for security is outweighing the desire for adornment. India's gold buyers are making more deliberate, calculated choices. As 2025 ends, India's gold market stands at a crossroads, its future tied to price trends. If prices fall, jewelry demand could rebound, reviving traditional buying for weddings and festivals. If prices stay high, the shift to bars and coins will likely become permanent. Jewelers may need to focus on lightweight designs, exchange programs, and value-added services to survive. Regardless of price direction, 2025 has changed consumer attitudes. Investment efficiency now matters. Even if prices drop, the lessons about making charges and value will linger. The future will likely blend tradition and modernity, with every purchase a conscious choice. India's golden story is entering a new, more deliberate chapter. The record gold prices of 2025 have accelerated India's evolution with this precious metal. The shift from jewelry to bars and coins reflects a more financially savvy, pragmatic nation. Families are adapting, making gold ownership more accessible and secure. Jewelers must innovate to survive, catering to investment-minded consumers. For young investors, gold is now a tool for building wealth, not just a traditional expense. This new mindset will strengthen household savings and resilience. India's golden story blends reverence for tradition with modern financial wisdom. Gold remains a symbol of prosperity. Its form may change, but its significance endures.